Today I share this super simple delicious rice noodles recipe. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. To begin, I'm going to start by seasoning the chicken. Added garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper and curry and thyme, seasoning cubes, salt and some oregano. I'm going to mix everything together until they are well combined. Feel free to make use of any seasoning of your choice. For this recipe, I'm making use of chicken thigh. You can make use of chicken breast. Set the chicken aside and allow to marinate for as long as you want. While the chicken is marinating, I'll go ahead and prepare the sauce. In a bowl, I added a good reasonable amount of light soya sauce. You can make use of dark soya sauce as well. And added some sweet chili sauce as well. Feel free to make use of any sauce that you have at home. Once I add the two sauces together, I just go ahead and mix it together until they are well combined and I will set it aside. Added a good reasonable amount of olive oil into the pan and allow to heat up slightly. Feel free to make use of any oil of your choice. Once it's heated up, I go here with the chicken and I just go ahead and spread the chicken out slightly and allow to brown. I don't want the chicken to be too brown. I just want it to slightly brown. I'm going to cover the pan and just allow the chicken to do the thing. I will flip the chicken to the other side and allow to brown slightly as well. Feel free to brown your chicken according to your taste, alright? Just do you. Do whatever that works for you, alright? But today I'm just going for slightly brown chicken. Once the chicken has browned to your liking, take it out of the pan and set it aside. Here is the rice noodles. I'm going to go ahead and add some hot water to heat and allow to soak for 3 minutes. I didn't soak it for a very long time because I don't want it to be too soft, but you can soak it for as long as you want. Once I add the hot water, I just make sure that everything sits perfectly well. Some people call it vermicelli noodles, but I call it rice noodles, alright? In the same pan, I just go ahead and add some olive oil to it as well. Allow to heat up slightly again and I go in with the carrots. I just stir fry the carrots for about a minute just to soften the carrot a little bit. A minute later, I go in with the rest of the pepper and I'm making use of the green and the red bell pepper with some onion and I season with black pepper. Once I add the black pepper, I just go ahead and stir everything together until they are well combined. I also make use of scotch bonnet pepper. I'm sorry, my camera does not capture that. Feel free to make use of any vegetable of your choice. You don't have to limit yourself to what I use, alright? This is what I have on this particular day. And as you guys can see, some of the flavor that the chicken released, it has stick to the pot. To bring that flavor back to life, I just added a little bit of water, just a tiny bit of water, and I'm going to continue to stir fry the veggies together. This little water will not cook your veggies, alright? Don't worry, the veggies is not going to be soggy, alright? Once I add the water, I just keep stirring it, and I noticed that that water that I added is not enough. I just drop a little bit of water again, and I keep stirring it, and trust me, your vegetables is not going to be soggy, alright? As you guys can see, most of the flavor has come back to life. They are looking beautiful, they are looking juicy, they are looking delicious. Whenever you are stir fry something on a pan that sticks, all you need to do is just drop a tiny bit of water to it and then everything will come back to life. I've tried this times without number and it has never failed me. Alright, I thought to share these tips with you guys. Once I achieve what I'm going for, I just go in with the chicken and I give everything a quick stir until they are well combined. Time to introduce the noodles. I just go ahead, transfer the noodles into the pan. If you notice that the noodles stick together before you added it into the pan, just take it to the sink and run some water on it. Like that, it's going to come back to life. It's not going to stick together again. As you guys can see, I added some of the sauce that we make earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and give everything a quick stir. The sauce that I added earlier is not enough. I go in with the rest of the sauce and I'm going to continue to stir fry it together until they are well combined. Once you add the noodles, it doesn't take more than 2 minutes to be ready. All you need to do is keep stirring it together. And when you are stirring it, it may be a little bit challenging. You may use two spatula to stir it together really well, or you can use something like this. I don't know what they call this thing, alright? You can just use it to stir fry it together until they are well combined. And that is it, guys. Super simple and absolutely delicious. Go ahead, serve it and enjoy. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.